Here's a brutal truth no one will tell you. After 60, the wrong colors don't just clash, they carve years into your face. They drain your vitality, amplify wrinkles, and scream, "I've given up," to everyone you meet. And chances are, you're wearing them right now. These aren't just unfashionable cues, they're aging you in ways you can't see, but everyone else can. Today, we're exposing the 8 colors sabotaging your confidence and stealing your glow. Worse? You probably own half of them. But don't panic, we'll show you exactly what to wear instead to look sharper, brighter, and effortlessly powerful. Let's fix this before you waste another day hiding in photos. First up, the neon disaster hiding in your closet that's turning you into a walking caution sign. Color 1, Neon Orange. Harsh, electric orange overwhelms mature skin, emphasizing sallowness and fine lines. Bright neon tones compete with natural skin undertones, creating a washed-out effect. 70-year-old Linda loved her neon orange blazer until her granddaughter joked, "Grandma, you're glowing, and not in a good way." Photos revealed the color made her look tired, even with makeup. Wear instead terracotta, warm, earthy red-orange that harmonizes with golden or silver hair. Salmon, soft pink-orange with a subtle glow. Color 2, Pastel Yellow. Pale, buttery yellows blend with aging skin, making you look ghostly. Low-contrast pastels lack vitality against lighter hair and fading complexion. At 68, Joan wore a pastel yellow dress to her grandson's wedding. Later, she noticed photos where she'd vanished next to guests in jewel tones. Wear instead mustard, rich, golden yellow that adds warmth. Lemon zest, bold, sunny yellow, if your skin has cool undertones. Color 3, Jet Black. Solid black can be too harsh, casting shadows and dulling natural warmth. As skin thins and loses pigment, stark black creates a stark contrast that highlights wrinkles. 72-year-old Frank wore black suits daily until his daughter pointed out, "Dad, you look like you're at a funeral, every day." Wear instead charcoal, softened gray-black with dimension. Navy, universally flattering, brightens the face. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 3 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Color 4, Muddy Brown. Dull, flat browns, like khaki or taupe, blend with aging skin, creating a lifeless look. Muddy tones mimic under-eye circles and uneven skin texture. 65-year-old Diane's safe brown sweater became her least worn item after a friend said, "You look so tired in that." Wear instead camel, luxe, warm brown with golden undertones. Espresso, deep, chocolatey brown for contrast. Color 5, Acidic Lime Green. Bright lime green clashes with mature skin's undertones, creating a sickly pallor. Overly vivid greens amplify redness and uneven pigmentation. Retired teacher Barbara, 69, donated her lime green blouse after students teased, "Ms. Carter, you look like a highlighter." Wear instead sage, muted green with gray undertones. Olive, earthy, sophisticated green. Color 6, Frosty Lavender. Cool, icy lavender washes out warmer skin tones common in older adults. Pale purple clashes with rosacea or age spots, emphasizing discoloration. 73-year-old Gloria's lavender cardigan made her complexion look ashy, until she swapped it for plum. Wear instead plum, deep, warm purple with red undertones. Lilac, soft purple with a touch of pink, for cool undertones. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Color 7, Tomato Red. Overly orange reds can overpower, making teeth look yellow and skin ruddy. Harsh reds highlight facial flushing and uneven texture. At 75, Rita's favorite tomato red dress was retired when her dentist joked, "Let's whiten your teeth to match that dress." Wear instead. Berry, cool, blue-toned red for brighter teeth. Burgundy, deep, wine red for timeless elegance. Color 8, Bleached White. Stark, clinical white creates unflattering contrast with mature skin. Harsh brightness emphasizes shadows under eyes and thinning hair. 70-year-old Harold's white polo made him disappear in family photos. Switching to ivory gave him a healthy glow. Wear instead. Ivory, warm, creamy white. Oatmeal, soft neutral with beige undertones. Which of these surprised you? Comment the number below. Age isn't about fading into the background, it's about shining smarter. Ditching these 8 colors isn't about rules, it's about choosing hues that celebrate your skin, your hair, and your confidence. So next time you shop, ask, does this color make me glow or disappear? Remember, the right shade can take years off your face without a single needle or filter. Now go raid your closet, your best-dressed decade is waiting. Comment color below if you're tossing one of these hues. Share this with a friend who needs a closet refresh, kindly. Subscribe for more style secrets to own your age.